What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always. So I said let me come on here and do a quick review.
My bad. It's a quick unboxing, guys. A quick unboxing, not a review. Unboxing.
So if you haven't been to Primark lately, maybe you need to make a stop because girl, sis, Primark is doing a lot. They're doing bits. So I popped in there the other day randomly and I came across this makeup. They call it the hanging makeup brush drying towel, and this was like for £5. So I was actually just scanning through the makeup item because actually you'd be surprised sometimes what you can find there, like just random stuff. So I found this there, and it says used to air dry your makeup brushes after cleaning, and this was a £5 off from Primark. And I thought, okay, let me come in here and actually open it with you guys in a little basket bag, which I think is very useful as well for the makeup. So that's one bonus point there, because if you take this out, you can actually put your brushes in here as well for like extra brushes to also air dry in here, or you can put your brushes in here to dash it into the washing machine. If you don't know, you know now. You can actually wash your makeup brushes in the washing machine. 0 degrees hand wash only, no spinning, else you'd break your brushes. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Kind of cute. I like it. I'm not really a fan of pink, which is very weird for me to pick it up because it's actually pink. But this is what it looks like. The towel feels very, very soft. Like, it feels like those you can use on your face, like face towels. Personal use, yes. However, for professional use, I don't really see it working, because with professional makeup artists, they have more brushes. They tend to wash them all at the same time. So personal use, I'd say yes. Professional use, maybe, maybe not. But I will be using it and showing you guys later on. But my first impression of this, is it worth £5? No, maybe they could have done it for like £3 or so. It feels good. Is it going to be effective? That's the question for another video. But yeah, so far so good. You can hang it anywhere, behind your door, on your sink, on the heating. Yeah, it's very useful. There you go, guys. But price wise, it's very expensive. For something this tiny, I'd expect to buy it for £3, especially from where I got it from. I'd expect to buy it for like £2 to £3 or £5. But yeah, guys, sorry. Yeah, guys, then I'll see you in my next video. Do the usual, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.